Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, welcome to online classes of Iqra Degree College, a project of Iqra Education System. This is the video lecture of English Prose for Intermediate Second Year. In the last video, we discussed how to maintain register. I hope you have already maintained your register before this lecture. If not, that is your first priority, to follow the instructions and maintain your register as the first thing to do. Today, I will begin chapter number 1, 20 minutes with Mrs. Okanta. This chapter belongs to prose section as we discussed in the last video. Let's take a look at the background of this chapter so that you will be pre-informed of it during my explanation of this chapter. My brothers, 20 Minutes with Mrs. Okanta is a melodrama filled with suspense and thrill throughout and based upon the theme of crime, revenge and punishment. The author Frank Arthur has maintained suspense and thrill quite successfully, and the audience remains unaware of the reality till the end. In this drama, crime is the first theme, which is followed by the desire of revenge leading to the punishment. This drama is drafted in a waiting room of a railway junction on a stormy winter's evening in 1955. Let's take a look at the characters. This is the art of Frank Arthur to create such a masterpiece with only 3 characters. Number 1, Lady, who is the protagonist in this drama. She is introduced in the drama as Mrs. Judy Okanta. She has no remorse or regrets on her crime. Character number 2, the man, whose role outweighs the need of mentioning or knowing his name. He is angry and aggressive, suffered a great loss and now wants to take revenge. While third and the last character is Porter, whose role is insignificant as per character, but quite important as a subtle comic relief element during the continued tension of suspense and thrill. I hope you have clearly understood the background of this chapter number 1. I will discuss with you the keywords which are used in this chapter in lecture number 2, part number 2. Till then, take care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.